Hi again, friends. Well, I've just had to take that last one off because the sound was so bad. I'm trying to do the same one again. It's a Wesson idea, and we'll go over it again. Just a large brush. Let's see if I've got another brush. A different type of brush. Same brush on it. There's that one. There's that one. I think that's about it. But look how many more these things. Oh yeah, I have one here. Now let's have a look at it. Now that's one there. I don't know what make it is. It's an oddball. There's a set of them there, and that's a two. They're all different sizes. You never know what you're getting. And I don't know what make it is. It's an oddball as well. But they're all made in the same way. That's really an oddball, that. I've been using that a while. It's got one. And now that, it's losing its bristle, that one, at the top. Now which would you use? That's an art way. I think I'll try that one. And that one. That one is my biggest one. That one next, my main painting brush. Or that one. So here we go. Now it's the same old thing, but what I'm thinking myself is, when I was doing these paintings, was always use the wet, straight out the tube paint. Or you can wet your palette first and let it soak in a bit, which I haven't done, of course. And there was all over. Now, probably his colour, it is the sky. It would get a, say, an ultramarine colour, maybe a cobalt, a bit of cobalt as well, and a little bit of purple, and light splattering it up and down on it, perhaps more purple than that. Violet, shall I say. Now, I'm not doing what I think he may have done, but I think he may have used a palette which is bigger than this, 500. Okay, now we're down into the blue to give it a bit of a violet shape. Now, his background was also very simple. Now I'm going to use a little bit of Payne's grey and blue. It was very simple, but let this out. I'll just throw again like this. That's all it was done like this. And I'm not saying it was more of a purpley background, not that what I'm putting on. So you put a little bit of purple into it, of a violet. Let's be daring and put some violets in. Now that was his background. Maybe I think if you had your bigger palette, you wouldn't. It'd be easier to keep the colour control all the way through. You'd use the same colour, because if you don't have the same colour all the way through, it looks oddball. Do you know, there wasn't much in it, was there? Wasn't much at all in these paintings. Nothing at all in them, really, because one mix would do all the same. What are we up to now then? What we're going to do next? I think we've got about everything in there. Let's just see. There's a little, you could have a little bit of a stalk here and there. That's it, and there. Thanks for looking in. There's another Mr. Wesson type for you. Same one that I did before. One little thing again, can you see I've got the colours? The colours are not all the same. See, again, a big deep palette and makes a big lump of colour. Very weak, like a bluey violet type of a colour, which is in the background there. And a bit of a contrast with that little bit of orange in it. And there's a starter. That's a starter for our beginning of our little journey. No, I've been putting a nice thin stalky. One of Mr. Wesson's thing. There we are. Thanks for looking in. This will be left on with a bit of luck, if the sound is okay.